In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Discord game overlay not showing in 2026. First, open Discord and click the gear icon to go to User Settings. Scroll down to Game Overlay and make sure the Enable In-Game Overlay toggle is turned on. Also, check your Toggle Overlay Lock keybind. By default, it's Shift plus the backtick key. If you've accidentally changed this, the overlay won't appear when you call for it. Next, go to the Registered Games tab in your settings. If your game isn't listed, click Added and select your game from the dropdown. Once added, look for the monitor icon next to the game name. If it has a red slash through it, click it to enable the overlay specifically for that game. If the overlay still isn't appearing, it's likely a permission issue. Completely close Discord and your game. Then, right-click the Discord shortcut on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. This allows Discord to draw the overlay on top of other high-performance applications like games. Finally, check your game's display settings. The Discord overlay often struggles with exclusive full-screen mode. Switch your game to windowed borderless or full-screen borderless mode. This allows Windows to layer the Discord UI over the game much more reliably. And that's it. Your overlay should now be working perfectly. If this fixed your issue, please leave a like and subscribe for more quick Discord fixes. Thanks for watching.